Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to copy and paste style in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are on Elementor page. Now you see icon box. So click on it. So we are going to copy style and then paste style on this box. Now right click on icon box. So right click and then you see copy. So click on it. Now this is another icon box. Now right click on it and then you see paste style. So again click on it. Now you see style copy. Now go to another icon box. Right click on it and then you see paste style. So again click on it. Now you see paste style done. And if you want you can copy style of column. Now you see column. So right click on it and then you see copy. If you want you can copy style of column. Also row, right click on it and then you see copy and then you see paste. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.